Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 9, subject mathematics, chapter name sets and functions, exercise 2.1, lecture 1. Today's lesson to explain set and different kinds of sets. I had already discussed in exercise 1.1 of the subject higher mathematics of class 9 and 10 about set, elements of sets, methods for expressing sets, finite and infinite set, empty set, Venn diagram, subset, proper subset, equality of sets, difference of sets, universal set, complement of a set, union of sets, intersection of sets, disjoint set, power set, ordered pair, Cartesian product. Okay, today I will solve the problems in this exercise. Problem 1. Express the set P equal to such that x are all the factors of 42 in tabular or row star method. Okay, solution. Let here P is the set of factors of 42. Here 42, this equal to 1 into 42, or we can write 2 into 21, or we can write 3 into 14, or we can write 6 into 7. Therefore, the factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. Therefore, the required set P equal to this. This is the required answer. Problem 2. Express the set Q. This equal to 4 into 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 in set builder method. The elements of the set Q are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Here each element is an even number, multiple of 4 and not greater than 20. Therefore Q equal to x such that x is even number, multiple of 4 and x less than or equal 20. This is a required answer. Another problem. Express C this equal to x such that x positive integer. X positive integer mean x are natural number, because natural number mean positive integer, and x square less than 18 using roster method. Roster and tabular method same. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot 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 are positive integers. When or if x is equal to 1, then x square is equal to 1, x equal to 2, x square is equal to 4, x equal to 3, x square equal to 9, and x is equal to 4, then x square is equal to 16. But when x is equal to 5, x square is equal to 25, which is greater than 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the acceptable values. Clear? Therefore, the given set is C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Follow the example 1, 2, and 3. We can easily solve in your book exercise 2.1, 1 and 2 number. Clear? So that will be homework. Example 6. If P equal to x such that x is a factor of 12, Q equal to x such that x is a multiple of 3 and x less than or equal to 12, then determine P delete Q or P minus Q, or we can use here P slash Q. That's mean difference of two sets. Clear? Now follow the solution. Here p is equal to this. Factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Therefore p is equal to this. Again q is equal to x such that 3 is a factor of x and x less than or equal to 12. That are will be 3, 6, 9 and 12. Therefore q is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. Therefore p minus q, this equal to this minus this equal to, you can write 1 to 4. This is the required answer. Clear everyone? We know this because this type of math we had already solved in class 8. Again we had already solved in higher mathematics exercise 1.1. Okay, so I think that everybody understand this. Clear? Example 7. U equal to this, a equal to this, b equal to this. Then determine a complement and b complement. Solution. A complement mean universal set delete a or universal set slash a or universal set minus a. We can write any one of this, no problem. Universal set means this, a equal to this. So this delete or this minus this mean 2 2 cut, 4 4 cut, 6 6 cut, 7 7 cut, remaining 1 3 and 5. This is a required answer. Again be complement. This equal to universal set slash or delete b, this equal to this minus this, and this equal to, you can write 2 4 6 7. That's mean 1 1 cut, 3 3 cut, 5 5 cut. We'll get this. Therefore this and this are the required answer. Clear everyone? Example. C is equal to this and D equal to this. Determine C union D. C union D mean take all the elements of the sets or from the set C and D. That means C equal to D. This and D equal to this. Therefore C union D, this equal to this union this. As a result we will get 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Therefore this is the required answer. Clear everyone? And given a set P is equal to this and Q is equal to this, that are given in the form set builder method. Okay, now this convert into tabular method, this also. Now follow the solution. P is equal to this equal to, you can write 3 4 5 6. Q is equal to x such that or x belongs to natural number, x is even and x less than or equal to 8 mean 2 4 6 8. Therefore P intersection Q, this equal to this intersection this equal to 4 6. This is a required answer. Clear everyone? Okay. Problem. If A is equal to this, B equal to this and C equal to this, find the following sets. A intersection B union C and A intersection B union B intersection C. Solution. A is equal to this, B equal to this and C equal to this. A number intersection B union C. At first we have to find B union C, that is B union C, this equal to this. Therefore A intersection B union C, A mean 1 2 3 and B union C mean this. So this intersection this will get only 2. This is the required answer. Again A intersection B union B intersection C. At first we have to find A intersection B. A intersection B this equal to 2 and B intersection C this equal to A. Therefore this intersection this mean this intersection this, that's mean the set whose element 2 and the set whose element A. This in and this mean will get 2A. This is the required answer. Clear everyone? Now follow this. We can easily solve in your book exercise 2.1 3 number and 4 number. Okay, this two math we can easily solve. Example, find the number of elements of the power sets A. This equal to null set, B equal to a set whose element A, C equal to a set whose element AB. Clear? And we know the definition of power set. Power set means the set of subsets of a particular set is power set. Here a set given A is equal to null set whose element 0, whose element 0. Okay, so subset of null set will be only subset, the null set, that's mean this, and this set, this is a power set. Here a set given whose element A, subset of this set will be two, one is null set and another itself. As null set is a subset of every set, so the subset of the set B will be two, one is null set and another one is itself. Itself means given set. Okay, that's mean power set will be null set and the given set of its set. Of its set mean here is only one set because this enclosed by this and this, that's means second bracket. But here is element 2, this and this. This set is an element of power set. That means subset of a particular set are the element of power set. Okay, and total subset make power set. As the subset of this set are 2 and each set, 2 mean this and this, and each set mean this enclosed, this bracket and this bracket, that's mean third bracket. So this is now single set, this is a power set. Again follow here. Here the elements of A is 0 and the number of elements of its power set is equal to 1. This is equal to 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 mean value will be 1. Here the set or number of elements of B, this is equal to only 1. But number of elements of its power set, this is equal to 2, and 2 is equal to 2 into 1. That's mean 2 to the power 1. And see power here number of elements to subset of this set will be null set, the set whose element A, the set whose element B, and the set whose element AB. That's mean total 4. And its set, this is a power set. That's mean this, and this, and enclosed by third bracket. You're bound to enclose this. Otherwise, that will be 4 set. When you will enclose this bracket, that will be single set. And its element this, and this. That's mean 4. Okay. Number of elements of C is 2. And the number of elements of its power set, this is equal to 4. 4 mean 2 square. So if number of elements of a set is n, then number of elements of its power set is 2 to the power n. Okay, this is an important math. Exercise 2.1, problem 5 and 6 related to previous math. Okay, and I have given some more assessment or problem that will be homework. So everybody will solve properly and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 2/2021, time 10:30 AM. Okay, so today up to this. Thank you to all everyone. Okay.